Hello everyone, I'm Helen from Shinelong. Today I will introduce you a steak grill. We also call it charcoal oven. Compared with the other grill or oven, the most advantage of this grill is that it can keep the original flavor of the beef and also can make food more juicy. The material is stainless steel 304 and the inside is with the refractory bricks, which can resist the 300 to 400 degree temperature. In the bottom is with middle drawer, so you can put some tools, and the under is with an open cabinet for you to place some items also. The working principle of this grill is to raise and lower the surface of the grill to adjust the temperature. As it's charcoal, so it can keep the original flavor of the food and make it more delicious. This is our smallest size, which is 800 and 800. If you want bigger size, we also have 1.4 and 1.6 for your choice. And besides that, as you know, this is freestanding type. But if you only need the top type, we can also offer you the tabletop type. Okay, so if you are interested in our products or our company, please contact us, contact Shinelong.